So, an AI system I'm building recently mistook synthetic clinical cases for real patient files and refused to use them as test data. It was a false positive, and the privacy safeguard had basically fired on safe data. It was super annoying. It not only proposed fixes, it immediately started changing things, and I had to physically stop the process. And it gave me a moment, especially the like kind of emotional response gave me a moment and reminded me of a classic human-centered design tool, which is to change perspectives. And I actually used my imagination to imagine a person had stopped because they believed private information was at risk. And this isn't because AI is a person, it's just an analogy to help form a hypothesis, and you can then take that back to check against the system. But it changed my perspective of it, behavior as like non-compliance, but instead, if it was a person, they would have been missing certain information if they were doing that. So it helped me know where to look at the files, their formatting, the location, and uh, what I eventually found was the README in their directory hadn't been updated to say this was a set of approved synthetic case files. And that means it made total sense why it refused. Um, and this is such a great tool when AI behavior or human behavior seems inexplicable. Imagine a person did it in an AI case or a different person did it in a human case. And ask yourself what that person might need to know, what they could be believing, or what they might be protecting. Then investigate those things in the system. Next video, I'm going to look into how to encode a decision into an AI system